Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where luxury meets the road. Today, we're diving into the world of high-end travel with a full review of the incredible 2025 luxury motorhome. If you're dreaming of a 5-star hotel on wheels, this might just be it. Let's kick things off with the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Avis model screams elegance. With a bold, streamlined design, massive panoramic windows, and chrome accents, it's built to turn heads. The motorhome rides on a heavy-duty chassis with air suspension for that ultra-smooth glide, even on rougher terrains. And yes, it's equipped with auto-leveling tech. Park it anywhere, and the system will adjust the motorhome to keep things balanced and comfortable. Now, step inside. And trust me, you'll forget you're in a vehicle. The interior is a true masterpiece of modern design. You're greeted with premium leather seating, soft touch surfaces, and smart ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The floor is heated, the furniture is fully customizable, and every material used feels top tier. The living space features a 4K OLED smart TV with a retractable soundbar, theater-style recliners, and a built-in fireplace. The kitchen? Absolutely gourmet. We're talking quartz countertops, an induction cooktop, a full-size fridge, and even a dishwasher. There's also a dining nook with large windows, so you can enjoy your meals with a view. Whether you're parked in the mountains or by the sea, the 2025 luxury motorhome also introduces a new tech suite. Everything is integrated through a central touchscreen and voice assistant. Lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even security. It's like having a smart home that moves with you, and yes, you can control it all from your phone. Let's not forget the bathroom. It features a rainfall shower, marble walls, a backlit mirror, and even a heated toilet seat. And the bedroom? Pure comfort. A king-size memory foam mattress, blackout shades, individual climate zones, and storage that rivals most apartments. Performance-wise, the motorhome runs on a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, offering more efficiency and less noise. It also has solar panels on the roof to keep essential systems running off-grid. With a range of around 800 miles per full tank and charge, you're set for long journeys without constant stops. Now, the big question: how much does it cost? The 2025 luxury motorhome starts at around $450,000, and with all the bells and whistles, it can push close to $600,000. But for those who want unmatched luxury, freedom, and comfort on the road, it's a dream worth considering. So, is the 2025 luxury motorhome worth it? If you're someone who loves travel without sacrificing style, space, and sophistication, absolutely. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving lifestyle. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of luxury wheels. Got questions or want us to review another dream machine? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.